Hey guys, I wanted to show you a quick fix for a common problem with the Seadoo Spark jet pump Bilge suction fitting. What happens is a plastic fitting mounted in the top of the jet pump pulls out of the pump. As you can see here, the fitting is stuck in the hose. These two pictures show the location to install the Bilge fitting. There are a few different products available online to reattach the fitting, but I'm going to show you how I used the JB Weld Marine Weld product to reattach it securely. Take a little time and clean the opening with a Scotch-Brite pad and brake clean so the JB Weld will bond securely. Use a piece of cardboard or any mixing board to squeeze out equal portions of the steel and hardener, then mix them up thoroughly with an applicator mixing stick and apply a decent layer around the whole fitting. Install the fitting into the jet pump with the half moon section pointing up to align with the recessed section in the pump. Don't worry if you get a lot of squeeze out, you can wipe off any excess before the JB Weld hardens up with a clean rag. This is the before picture without the fitting installed. These are the after pictures showing the fitting fully installed in the pump. This picture shows the install fitting with the excess JB Weld removed. Let the JB Weld cure for a full day or two, then you can reinstall the pump back into the ski. Here's the full jet pump with the Bilge suction fitting reattached. The JB Weld Marine Weld works real well for this application. That concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video or just found it helpful, please smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel to see more cool videos like this one, and don't forget to check out my description for links to tools and materials used in this video.